So in this video we are multiplying algebraic fractions. That is, fractions with letters in them, we're going to multiply them by each other. Now before we get into that, it's probably a good idea to do some revision first. Now important to note when you're multiplying fractions, multiply top by top, so this times this, multiply bottom by bottom, this times this. And before you do all of that, don't forget to cancel. You're going to make your life a lot easier if you cancel before you start working. Before we work with algebraic fractions, let's do some revision, take a look at non-algebraic fractions. We have here 21 over 8 times 16 over 15. Now your first step, don't forget to cancel. So look at the numerators and the denominators and see if you can cancel one with the other. See if any of them have a common multiple. Now looking at this particular one, if I look at 16 and 8, I can see that 16 and 8 can go into 16 twice. So they're going to cancel out. Now 8 divided by 16, that's going to, 16 divided by 8, that's going to be 2. So I'm going to end up with a 2 there. Now, 8's going to cancel out there. So that's just going to be equal to 1 on the bottom here. Now, looking at 21 and 15, they have a common multiple as well. Their common multiple is 3. Now, 21 divided by 3 is 7. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now, what we've just said that by doing that cancelling, is that 21 over 8 times 16 over 15 is equal to 7 over 1 times 2 over 3. Now your last step here is multiply top by top and bottom by bottom. So if we do 7 times 2, we'll get 14. And if we do 1 times 3, we'll get 3. So our final answer here will be 14 over 3. Now that we've done that, with an actual numerical fraction, we can start working with an algebraic fraction. So, remember, multiply top by top, bottom by bottom, don't forget to cancel. Here's our question, 5y over 3x times 6a over 7y. Now, is there anything top and bottom we can cancel? First of all, we have a y on the top and a y on the bottom, so we can cancel those out. Now, look at the numbers. Can we see anything here with a common multiple? 5 over 3x times 6a over 7. 6 and 3, there's our common multiple there. So it's going to be 5, that y's been cancelled out, over. Now when we do 6 divided by 3, that 3 is going to cancel out, so it's going to be a 1. And that x is still going to be there. And we can multiply that by. That 6 has been cancelled with 3, so that's going to give us 2a. And that y's been cancelled, but we still have that 7 there. Now finally, multiply top by top and bottom by bottom. 5 times 2a is going to be 10a. 1x times 7 is going to be 7x. That entire thing, 5y over 3x times 6a over 7y, eventually becomes 10a over 7x. That's multiplying algebraic fractions.